in comparison to a hair transplant, a hair transplant is a medical procedure where your actual hairs are removed from the donor site, which is the back, and typically the back and sides of someone's head. That is going to be scarred over time. There'll be scarring there, which will heal, and then someone may or may not be able to have more procedures. That they will then would be placed in an area of the head which is lacking in hair. It can take a few weeks for that to kind of heal. There then is a process with a hair transplant over the course of a year to 18 months of where that hair slowly grows back. There's a long process for that, and maybe that's worth another conversation. But in comparison, scalp micropigmentation is really fast because we can lay down a lot of density very quickly in the first session, and just within 4 weeks of that session, I'm typically laying down the 95% of that density, so that just within 4 weeks of coming to us, our treatment is very quick, and you would almost have what looks like a full head of hair back in a very short space.